Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting and verifying the exact audio the model needs. A dry, single-track vocal in 44, 1 kHz WAV, and short reference clips that show the singer's tone. Once done, you normalize levels to avoid clipping and export stems if you have backing instruments. Make sure to name files clearly and include metadata like tempo and key. This helps the AI align phonetics and pitch. These steps reduce training noise and speed up the synthesis process. You now configure the training. Pick the singer preset that matches mono or ensemble performance and enable pitch conditioning so the AI learns vibrato and transitions. Once configured, choose a conservative learning rate and set epochs. Start near 20 to judge overfitting. Make sure to split data 80/10/10 for train/val/test and enable augmentation like slight speed and pitch shifts to improve robustness. Monitor loss curves and listen to validation renders. You synthesize rough guide takes first to verify phrasing and tuning quickly, then render final takes at high bit depth for mixing. Once done, apply corrective EQ and gentle de-essing. Use transient shaping sparingly to retain natural breath. If you encounter artifacts, robotic consonants, or pitch jumps, retrain a targeted subset with more augmentation or remove noisy reference clips. For stubborn issues, slightly lower learning rate and increase training data diversity. This often fixes unnatural timbre without losing expressiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.